The sci-fi movie The Creator explores the nuanced interaction between artificial intelligence and humans. The film, which is set in a war-torn future, centers on Joshua, a seasoned soldier entrusted with finding the elusive developer of a potent artificial intelligence. He finds himself more and more enmeshed in a world where the distinction between human and machine is blurred as he sets out on his perilous quest. The nature of consciousness is one of the film's most interesting issues. It calls into questions whether AI is capable of true sensibility and what it means to be human. Alfie, the AI child, is presented as inquisitive and naive entity with a capacity for love, fear, and joy. This improves our assumption that AI is just an instrument or danger. The ethical ramifications of developing sophisticated AI are also examined in the movie. The film's depictions of a war-torn planet makes clear AI's catastrophic potential. Alphys' wish to defend humanity, however, also shows how AI has the potential to be a positive force. The Creator is a visual spectacular movie with amazing special effects and magnificent scenery. Notable is the movie's soundtrack, which heightens the narrative's emotional effect. The movie conveys a strong message about the need of empathy and understanding, despite its occasionally erratic pacing and complex plot. The creator challenges us to think about AI's future and our need to use it responsibly.